With everything going on with coronavirus in the world at the moment, it's really difficult to have face-to-face meetings and show people our products and demo our products to people. So today I want to take you through a virtual demo of our electric jet boards. I want to set up a meeting as if you're visiting us and show you all of the features, how our electric jet boards work. So what we're going to do, we're going to strap a camera to Ben, our engineer's head, and he's going to play the role of you coming to visit us, and we're going to talk you through the product. And I hope that this is a way that we can try and make up for all those meetings that we've had to cancel recently. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you our Wave Jam and Rescue electric jet boards. First, I'll show you the controls of our Wave Jam electric jet boards. So first of all, there's a battery switch which is up here, and this turns on the power of the board. So if I turn that round to the right, that turns on the power, and you can see you get some blue lights pulsing up as the board starts up. When the green lights show on the display, it's ready to accept the key of the boards, and this is what the key looks like. This is the key that activates the boards, and if I give that to you, if you push that key into the slot there, you'll see that the lights will change from green to blue. Along the top here is the battery level. So this battery level tells you how much charge you have left in the board. So as that goes down, these lights will change from green down to orange and then to red. So you can see at the moment that the board's fully charged because we've got a line of green lights there. As the battery goes down, that will change into orange and then to red. When the battery has just 10% remaining, these lights will be flashing red at you, and the board will also go into get home mode, which is its way of telling you that you need to be heading back to the shore and back to safety. Let me show you the controls of how the Wave Jam board can be driven. So to start the motor running, you press both throttles together. The board has 3 speeds, slow, medium and fast. So when you press both throttles together, that's the slow speed. To go up a speed, you pulse the right lever once. And then to go down a speed, you pulse the left lever. So it has 3 speeds, slow, medium and fast. When that fob comes out, that cuts out all the power. And then you'll see that when the key fob is not in place, if you try pressing those throttle levers, nothing happens for safety. I really want to show you the underside of the board as well, because this is where all the technology is, and this is where the power is coming to push the board forwards in the water. So here we have a powerful 5 kilowatt brushless motor, and this motor is sucking the water in here, and then it blasts a jet of water out the back, and this is what pushes you through the water. We have guards at the inlet and the outlet for safety, so it's very difficult and nearly impossible to touch the propeller when it's in the water. As the water goes through the propulsion, it's cooling all of the things that need cooling in the board, so the motor and the electronics. The 2 models that we have here, this is our Wave Jam model, which is for boat owners and for leisure or water sports centres, hotels. And this is our Rescue version, which is for professional use and for rescuing people faster. Rescuers love our Rescue model as it's a quick launch watercraft that can be launched almost anywhere, and you can carry it on your back and throw it in the water to hopefully reach someone faster. Because of that powerful 5 kilowatt motor, the boards are very high torque. So the Rescue model and the Wave Jam model are very good at towing things and towing people through the water. So whether it's having family and friends hanging off the side, or whether it's a rescuer reaching someone to tow them back to shore quicker. The main differences between our Wave Jam model and our Rescue Professional model are that the Wave Jam model has different programming on the throttles, so you have to have both thumbs pressing the throttles for the motor to move and for it to power you through the water. With the rescue model, you can drive one-handed, so that means you still have the same 3 speeds, but you have slow speed on the left, medium speed on the right, and then together is top speed. And that just means for a rescue professional, they can be driving one-handed and grab someone to rescue them, or they can be maneuvering someone in the water. And rescue professionals that use this product have had a lot of training, and they're very comfortable in the water and know what they're doing. And the rescue model also has this U-shaped rescue float, which is buoyancy for one person, and this rescue float with the 2-meter tow line can rescue a conscious or an unconscious casualty and tow them back to shore safely. The boards are made from a dense moulded foam material, which is EPP, which stands for expanded polypropylene. Expanded polypropylene is used for things like crash helmets and car bumpers, so it's a really durable material but also buoyant in the water, and it just means that when you're using the product you don't have a hard shell and you're not going to get bruised elbows when you're rolling around in the water. This material just has a little bit of give to it, so it means that it's soft to use in the water, but it's very durable and will last a long time and take a lot of wear. A really easy way to carry our boards is using our transport case. Our transport case has shoulder straps, which mean that you can carry the board on your back. This is a really nice custom case for the board, and it's got a little pouch here where you can store your key fob and all of your things you need for the beach. Inside it's got a waterproof lining, so just in case the board isn't fully dried off when you put it in there, it's a waterproof case that will protect your board and stop it getting scratched. To charge your board after using it, you need to do this away from the water and you'll need mains power. Charging of the board is done with the charging socket on the side. You take the cable from the charger and plug it into the socket of the board and tighten that up nice and tightly. The red fob which comes with the charger is to activate the charging of your jet board. So you push that firmly in place. There will be a short delay whilst the lights change from green. When they change to a glowing blue, this is when the board has started charging. You'll also know that the board has started charging because there should be 2 red lights on the charger. When one of these lights changes to green, that's when the charging's finished and the charger will automatically turn itself off. Hopefully that's been enjoyable, learning about how to drive and operate our boards and how to charge them, and we talked about the carry case as well. However, these are best shown out on the water, so why don't I take you out on the water and show you how to drive one. Should we do it? We're going to head out on the water. I'm going to show you the easiest way to get on the board and to launch. It's easiest to start from a sitting position and then just lay forwards on the board and press the throttles and you're off. First thing I want to show you is the two main riding positions. The first, you can be up on the board and nice and flat, and this is the position you go fastest in. The second position is more of a Superman style, where you've got your arms stretched out in front of you. So I'll show you both riding positions first, then I'll let you have a go. Okay, now it's your turn. The next thing I want to show you is how manoeuvrable the board is in the water. So what I want you to try is doing lots of quick, small turns. I'll show you now and then I'll let you have a go. Do you want to try it? Looking good, looking good. So you can take that manoeuvrability to the extreme and you can just spin the board on the spot. So if you hang your body weight off one side, you can just do a donut and spin on the spot, which is loads of fun. I'm going to show you that now and then I'll let you have a go. Nice one, nice one. Next, what I want to show you is that you can get up on your knees and you can you can get up on your knees and you can do a bit of kneeboarding. So I'll show you how to do that. Keep your knees nice and wide and it's loads and loads of fun. Nice one. The last thing I want you to try is you can duck the board underneath the water, so you can do a duck dive, and this is great for if you've got a wave coming towards you, you can duck underneath the wave, or for just playing in the water, we're just ducking underwater for fun. So I'm going to show you now, it's a bit cold in the water today, but I'll just show you how you can get the board under and go in the water. Hope you enjoyed that as much as we did, and we'll see you soon.